Hello friends, today I am going to explain about elements of computer system and computer application in retail pharmacy. Objectives: on completion of this period, you would be able to learn elements of computer system, computer applications in retail pharmacy, community pharmacy. Computer Computer applications are widely introduced in various pharmacy functions including hospital and clinical pharmacy practice. It has many versatile and appealing features which strongly support its increasing utilization in pharmacy services. The microelectronic revolution helped to make pharmacy as an information-based profession. Today, it is clear that pharmacists and pharmacy students have to attain computer awareness if they are to participate in the various pharmacy activities of today. The pharmacists of tomorrow may need more and more computer literacy. Computers were first used in 1960s in pharmacy to aid in business applications, particularly charging for supplies and drugs distributed to various units within the hospital. The computer literacy indicates the ability to do computing which requires a knowledge of programming. Computer awareness includes only an understanding of computer structure, functions, terminology, and the impact of computerization on the individual's life and careers. Computers in hospital pharmacy. The first computers appear in the most hospital pharmacies, often between microcomputers. They are very much useful in performing specific functions such as total parental nutrition calculations, labels for prepackaged items, admixture labels, pharmacokinetics dosing, drugs use review, and word processing. The data processing performed with the help electronic equipment such as computer is known as electronic data processing, means EDP. The electronic data processing is of great use in the field of prescription handling, linkage of prescription data with patient information, drug information, patient counseling, and medication administration. Computers are used to control the level of inventory and provide drugs at right time. It can handle and use various data such as price, lead time, cost of ordering, cost of carrying, ABC and VED analysis, EOQ and ROL analysis, safety stock, expiry dating, supplier details, storage conditions, etc. With the use of computers, the hospital can readily obtain a record of all or any inventory items in the hospital pharmacy stores along with their drug interaction, adverse reactions, sensitivity reactions, allergic, etc. Balances in quality and rupee value. Studies of can be easily carried out with the help of previously designed computer programs. The computer can maintain the patient's medication profile or drug history and analysis various aspects of the medication orders. Computer can be programmed to audit the drug doses for overdoses or underdose. In case some of special drugs like narcotics, limit technique such as automatic stock orders can be introduced. If the patient allergies are entered into the system, medication order can be checked for allergies. Intravenous medication orders can be analyzed for compatibility and stability of drugs in a particular fluid. Computers act as an excellent editing device in complication of the hospital pharmacy, drug information bulletins, and hospital formulary. The computers automatically assign page numbers, paper index, tables of contents, and also the final copy of printers. The use of computer in the production of hospital formulary and drug name, maximum dose, acceptable route, and essential drug information. ASHF has developed a computer processed drug products information file DPIF, which is available to hospitals and from which a hospital formulary can be prepared. The computer can be programmed to compare the drug prescribed with the stocks in ward pharmaceutics, satellite pharmacies, store and provide the pharmacy with return details for those patients who require individually dispensed medicines or need the issue of temporary stock. The quantities of medicine issued on each occasion can be reviewed to ensure that the patient has sufficient supply of medicines, the patient is taking the medicines correctly and the patient does not receive excessive supply of medicines. Computer programs are developed in many hospitals, pharmacies. Chronic disease like diabetes, hypertension, asthma, mental disorders, as well as other pediatric and ambulatory patient. It can also be programmed for printing the labels, incompatibility warnings, drug usage data, special instructions on the label, shake well before, like, depending on the medicine. It is on the medicine. It is very useful in pre-packing, pre-packaging and unit dose dispensing. Characteristics of computer: speed, storage, accuracy, diligence. Speed: computers can perform arithmetic calculations and logical comparisons at an incredible speed with remarkable accuracy. The processing speed of a computer is generally measured is in nanosecond. 1 nanosecond, 1 billion of measured in 1 billionth of a second. Equivalently, one could say that computers can add thousands of numbers in a speed. Storage: computers have a large storage capacity. We could store, say, the contents of around 200 sheets of paper on a medium which is not even half of one sheet of paper. Accuracy: the accuracy of computer is consistently high. Errors in computing are generally due to human negligence rather than technological faults. Diligence: computers, being machines, do not suffer from fatigue and lack of concentration. Versatility: a major strength of computers is that they can do a very wide range of jobs, both related and unrelated. With speed, accuracy and diligence in a large organization, it is quite likely that the same computer is being used for preparing bills, generating payslips, etc. Drug information retrieval: a complete search of the drug information is necessary for the clinical pharmacist, as he needs to know about pharmacology, drug interactions, adverse drug reactions, toxicology, etc. Elements of computer system: a central processing unit, also called a CPU, is main processor or just a processor, is the electronic circuitry within a computer that executes instructions that make up a computer program. The CPU performs basic arithmetic, logic, controlling, and input-output operations specified by the instructions in the program. The computer industry base used the term central processing unit as early as 1955. Softwares. Computer softwares, or simply software, is a collection of data or computer instructions that tell the computer how to work. This is in contrast to physical hardware from which the system is built and actually performs the work. The computer science and software engineers. Computer software is all information processed by computer system, programs, and data. Computer software includes computer program, libraries, and related non-executable data such as online documentation or digital media. Computer hardware and software require each other and either neither can be realistically used on its own. Computer look like this: monitor, CD drive, floppy drive, CPU, keyboard, mouse, speakers. Memory. Two types of memories are present in the CPU: ROM and RAM. ROM, read-only memory. It can be read out raised when computer is turned off. RAM, random access memory. It determines how much information or calculation of the computer can work out with time. Normally at least 512 kilobytes on RAM are designed where one byte, single letter, number or symbol. In computing, memory refers to a device that is used to store information for immediate use in a computer or related computer hardware device. It typically refers to semiconductor memory, specifically metal oxide semiconductors memory, where data is stored within MOS memory cells, or a silicon integrated circuit chip. The term memory is often synonymous with the term primary storage. Computer memory operates at a high speed, for example, random access memory (RAM), as a distinction from storage that provides slow to access information but offers high capacities if needed. Content Contents of the computer memory can be transferred to secondary storage. A very common way of doing this is through a memory management technique called virtual memory, and archaic synonyms for memory is store. The term memory means primary storage or main memory is often associated with addressable semiconductor memory. Example, integrated circuits consisting of silicon-based MOS transistors used for example as primary storage but also other purposes in computers and other digital electronic devices. There are two main kinds of semiconductor memory: volatile and non-volatile. Examples of non-volatile memory are flash memory and ROM, PROM, EPROM, and EEPROM memory. Most semiconductors memory is organized into memory cells or bistable flip-flops, each storing one bit 0 or 1. Flash memory organization includes both 1 bit per memory cell and multiple bits per cell, called MLC, multiple level cells. The memory cells are grouped into words of fixed word length. For example, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 are 1 to 8 bit. Storage. Disk storage, also sometimes called drive storage, is a general category of storage mechanism where data is recorded by various electronic, magnetic, optical, or mechanical changes to a surface layer of one or more rotating disks. A disk drive is a device implementing such a storage mechanism. Notable types are the hard disk drive (HDD) containing a non-removable disk, the floppy disk (FDD) is removable floppy disk, and various optical disc drive (ODD) and associated optical disc media. A hard disk drive or fixed drive is an electromechanical data storage device that uses magnetic storage to store and retrieve digital data using one or more rigid, rapidly rotating platters. coated with magnetic material. The platters are paired with magnetic heads, usually arranged on a moving actuator arm, which read and write data to the platter surfaces. Data is accessed in a random access manner, meaning that individual blocks of data can be stored and retrieved in any order. Hard disk drives are a type of non-volatile storage, retaining stored data even when powered off. Keyboards. Computer keyboard is a typewriter-style device which uses an arrangement of buttons or keys to act as mechanical levers or electronic switches, floating the decline or punch cards and paper tape. Interaction with teleprinter style keyboards become the main input method for computers. Keyboard's keys or buttons typically have a set of characters engraved or printed on them, and each press of a key typically corresponds to a single written symbol. Whoever producing some symbols may require pressing and holding several keys simultaneously or in sequence. When most keyboard key produce letters, numbers, or signs, other keys are simultaneous keys. Presses can produce action or execute computer commands. In normal uses, the keyboard is used as a text interface for typing text, numbers, and symbols into a word processor, text editor, or any other program. For typing text, in a modern computer, in the interpretation of key presses is generally left to the software. A computer keyboard distinguishes each physical key from every other key and reports all key presses to the controlling software. A keyboard is also used to give commands to the operating system of a computer, such as Windows Ctrl-Alt-Delete combination. Although on pre-Windows 95 Microsoft operating systems, this post a reboot, now it brings up a system security options screen. A command line interface is a type of user interface navigated entirely using a keyboard or some other similar device that other the job of one. Monitor screen may be either colored or monochrome. A computer monitor is an output device that displays information in pictorial form. A monitor usually comprises the visual display, circuitry, casing and power supply. The display device in modern monitors is typically a thin film transistor, liquid crystal display with LED backlighting having replaced could cathode fluorescent lamp backlighting. Older monitors used a cathode ray tube (CRT). Monitors are connected to the computer via VGA. Digital Visual Interface HDMI, DisplayPort, Thunderbolt, low voltage differential signaling or other proprietary connectors and signals. Originally, computer monitors were used for data processing, while television sets were used for entertainment. From the 1980s onwards, computers and their monitors have been used for both data processing and entertainment, while televisions have implemented some computer functionality. The common aspect ratio of televisions and computer monitors has changed from 1:43 to 16:10 to 16:9. Modern computer monitors are easily interchangeable with conventional television sets and vice versa. However, as computer monitors do not necessarily include integrated speakers nor TV tuners, it may not be possible to use a computer monitor as a TV set without external components. Printer. Printer. It is an electronic device which prints information based on the commands given to it by CPU. In computing, a printer is a peripheral device which makes a persistent representation of graphics or text, usually on paper, while most output is human readable. Barcode printers are an example of an expanded use of printers. The different types of printers include 3D printer, inkjet printer, laser printer, thermal printer, etc. Computer applications in retail pharmacy. In hospital pharmacy, The computers are used for planning land control purposes by healthcare professionals in the maintenance of hospitals. They are used for the treatment, planning, and monitoring patients, maintenance of records, drug information retrieval, etc. By this, past medication records and current treatment can be maintained. Personal files can be created for those who register with the hospital, giving all details about them like the treatment, immunization given right from birth, their drug allergic details, sickness and treatment given with dates, report details of various checkups carried in their lifetimes, etc. The computer stores all these datum in floppy disks and called a file, occupying negligible place, and one can have these details immediately whenever required for interpretation and for further treatment. The computers can be used for accounting, invoicing, stock control, and for ordering of drugs, medical devices, etc. Detail of drugs issued to each patient in the wards, making bills, and the time of discharge of patients. In short, a patient management. The data fed into the computers are continuously updated to reflect the current status by additions and deletions. The use of files saves time and energy. We can maintain any type of files, and each may have several subfiles under them. Example, files can be disease-wise of patients admitted in the hospital, with subfiles with sex-wise and age group-wise. From these files we can know how many patients care in same month previous year and the breakup of details, which will throw some light on the disease. The preventive measures can be taken to avoid recurrence in futures. In clinical trial of drugs, computers are used to decide further dosing of drugs based on the profile already had to keep the drug level in the therapeutic range. Thus, the pharmacist's clinical service standards are enhanced by using computers. Using computers, it saves valuable man hours. The integrity of the software is pre-established. Inventory control is very essential because it maintains the balance between stock in hand and excessive capital investing uh, capital investment. Computers are used to detect the items which had attained minimum order level. It then prepares a list and purchase orders for suppliers. Generally, there are two systems for inventory control: periodic inventory control, perpetual system. Perpetual system. Periodic inventory control system. In this system, stock levels are checked manually and the amount of inventory in hand is compared with minimum and maximum stocks maintained in the computers. Computer helps in placement of order to different suppliers after checking their terms and conditions because all the entries of stocks are present in it. Perpetual system. In this system, computer tells us about the present position of all the drugs because when they are received, they are entered in the initial stocks to get the current stocks as the drugs. Drugs are delivered to various departments. The quantities are subtracted accordingly. Managerial preparation of daily sales reports, generation of complete sale analysis as required for a day, month, year and to date for number of prescriptions handled and amount in cash. Estimation of profit and financial ratio analysis, printing of billing and payment summarize. In hospital pharmacy, professionals building a patient profile, storing information on drug and other allergies to warn about possible problems, retrieval of current drugs regimen for review, monitoring of drug utilization, updating of patient information in file, print warnings of drug, drug, drug-food interactions, maintaining physician files, designation, address, phone number, etc. Summary. In this class, we discussed about elements of computer system like CPU, software, memory, ROM, RAM, storage, keyboard, monitor, printer, computer, applications in retail pharmacy. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.